Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix no service or signal issues after update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A37 or A57 or A17 and you're facing that your SIM cards have no service or any signal issues, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to enable and disable your airplane mode, so it will make a quick refresh with your network settings or with your service settings. So if there will be any software glitch or any minor glitch, it will be fixed in this app. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, go to settings, go to connections, go to mobile networks here. Make sure that you have set it LTE preferred or the most capable system here, like you have if you have 4G or 5G service, you can select that. Avoid to use the lower version like I have 3D, so you can avoid to use this version. But if you're facing the same issue on your LTE preferred or on your 5G or your 4G, so you can select the smaller version here, like I have selected 3G for both. After selecting 3G, go back, enable airplane mode and then disable it. So it will make a quick refresh with your carrier or your service settings. So after enabling and disabling airplane mode, it will ready your carriers to use your network as 3G. But if you're still facing the same issue with your 3G network, so you can go back here, go to LTE, select LTE preferred from here, and now after doing that, you have to make a restart with your phone, because sometimes it might be that there will be any software glitch. So after a restart, you can easily fix that software glitch. But after resetting or after making a restart, if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to grab your SIMs out and clean your SIM cards. Once you have cleaned your SIM card, just reinsert your SIM cards. After reinsertion, go to settings, make sure that your SIM card are now working. If you're still facing the same issue, go to general management here, go to reset option here, go to reset mobile network settings, select your SIM. I have selected SIM 1, go to reset setting, click on reset again, so it will reset your network setting. But after resetting your settings, if you are still facing the same issues, it might be that your server is not responding. Like if you're using any SIM, so you can search from internet using your Wi-Fi if your SIM carrier is responding or if your server is responding. So sometimes it might be a server issue which can be easily fixed after 24 hours. So you have to try to wait for 24 hours, and after that your issue will be automatically fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.